Hello. In this video, we're going to review the currency.com exchange together. This exchange started its operations in the field of blockchain-based financial services in 2018 by offering simple, secure, and user-friendly solutions. This exchange provides services to customers and small businesses in over 100 countries around the world. One of the features of this exchange is that it has more than 50 employees, in addition to its international operations in over 100 countries. As a global company, Currency.com has offices in the United States, Gibraltar, and Poland. The company's approach to hiring is based on diversity and attracting creative and forward-thinking individuals. To register on Currency.com, all you need to do is click on this option. You select your country of residence, as well as enter your email address and password. I recommend using uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, you confirm the website's terms by ticking the box and click on Continue. A code will be sent to your email for account verification. You log into your email. In the Currency.com section, you copy the code provided and enter it here. You enter your mobile phone number and click on Continue. Enter the code that was sent to your mobile phone in this section and click on Confirm. You will enter your account dashboard. Your account has been created.
We're going to learn how to verify our account in currency exchange. When you enter your account's dashboard, you scroll down and you have to answer questions such as purpose of the account, employment, occupation, income source, monthly income, and planned monthly turnover. After submitting the information, you click on Save. Then the document section will be unlocked for us. Click on it. Then click on Continue. You see the different steps of verification such as perform a liveness check, provide identity document, provide address information, and provide personal information. If you wanted to continue verification on your phone, you click on this option, or if you wanted to continue on the current device, you click on the blue section. You have to answer the question that you're from United States of America or all countries except USA. After answering the question, you click on Continue. Then you have to take a selfie in order to prove your identity. Click on Continue. For next level, choose the country of residence and the document that you want to upload, which you can choose between ID card and passport. After that, click on Continue. For next part, you have to take a picture of your ID card, which you have to click on Continue. And our documents will go under review. And as you can see, our documents is under review. As you can see, our account was verified under 10 minutes.
On the homepage, you have access to the quick crypto purchase section where you can select your desired currency, such as dollar, euro, and so on. Choose your desired cryptocurrency, and by clicking on this option, purchase the currency you want. You can also click on your preferred operating system to download the Currency.com application. By scrolling down, you have access to the Currency.com Markets section. In the Markets section, it displays the real-time prices of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to view various currencies along with details such as price, 24-hour changes, market cap, and more. Also, to add your desired currency to your favorites, click on the star and place that currency in the favorites section. This section contains more than 100 different currencies, and you can also view these currencies by categories such as all currencies, tradable assets, and favorite assets. In addition to the US dollar and euro, to search, click on this option and look for your desired currency. In the lower section, to change the page, you can click on the relevant option to switch pages, which will show you different assets. In the exchange section, you enter the quick digital currency purchase area, which we have already explained to you. The next option is the wallet, where you can perform activities such as depositing dollars, euros, and buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. To make a deposit, you can click on this option. Please note that deposits can only be made through a bank account. By clicking on this option and then clicking on Add Bank Account, you proceed with this option. You click on Add Bank Account. You choose whether you want a euro account or a dollar account. You enter your bank name along with the bank account number, the country of the bank's address, and the BIC SWIFT code. By clicking on Add Bank Account, you add this account to your currency.com account. Also, to withdraw funds, you can click on this option, and by clicking on the withdraw option, you enter the withdrawal section. After adding your bank account, the withdrawal section will be activated for you. In the cryptocurrency purchase section, you can make your selection. You can receive, sell, or send cryptocurrency, and if you wish, you can watch the tutorial on depositing and withdrawing cryptocurrency. You can watch it on our YouTube channel. After operating in this section, you will see the transaction history at the bottom of the cryptocurrency purchase section. Also, in the account statement section, you can select your desired date. You can also choose a transaction type, and by clicking on Download Statement, you can download the statement you want. In the account confirmation section, you can download your account confirmation file by clicking on the confirmation file option. This option shows your account notifications, and by clicking on View All, you can see all your account notifications. This section will be displayed to you after you have activity on the website. In the companies section, you can see information about exchangecurrency.com. By clicking on this option, you will enter the user menu section of your account. You can view information such as your account details. In addition, there are the exchange and wallet sections, which we have already explained to you. By clicking on the account option, you will enter the account settings, where the first option is Profile. To change information such as your email address or mobile phone number, you can click on the desired option, update your email or phone number, and then click Save to store the changes. Also, at the bottom, you can view personal information such as your name, date of birth, and so on. In the security section, you can configure your security settings. For example, two-factor authentication, which you can add to your account by clicking on this option. To change your password, click on this option, and then by clicking Next, enter the code that is sent to your email in this section. You also enter your new password, click on Change Password, and your password will be updated. In the section below, you can view your account activities, such as different browsers and IP addresses. In the Payment Methods section, as we explained, you can add your desired payment method. We enter the Settings section, where you can change your email notifications. Click on this option, select your preferred notification settings, and click this button to save. By clicking this option, you minimize your user menu, and to log out of your account, click this option. To contact the support of this exchange, scroll down. In the Support section, click on Help Center, and at the bottom, click on Contact Us. You can view the frequently asked questions, and if you wish to connect with live support, click on this option. Select the desired subject along with your name, email address, and your question. To send your question, click on this option, and your message will be sent successfully. Please note that Currency.com's live support will contact you via email, so it may take a few hours to receive a response. Well, friends, that was the review of the Currency.com exchange. Until the next video, take care and good luck.